Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone with iOS 26 and let me share with you how to manage app marketplace installations. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option Screen Time. Then let's go to Content and Privacy Restrictions, and here we need to open App Installations and Purchases. So as you can see right here, we've got the option App Marketplaces. So just tap on it, and if you've got it set on Don't Allow, just mark the Allow, or if you want to turn it off, just mark Don't Allow. It's obviously up to you what you want to do here. I just wanted to show you where you can manage app marketplaces. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.